If you like our video, click the button to subscribe to our channel and get easy access to new content. To see our full suite of ad-free video courses, instruction manuals, and quick reference guides, visit us at www.teachucomp.com. The Brush Settings panel in Photoshop lets you change all the settings of the currently selected painting tool in Photoshop, like the brush tool, for example. To show or hide the brush settings panel in Photoshop, click the Toggle the Brush Settings panel button in the Options bar control panel. If this button doesn't appear in the Options bar control panel for the currently selected tool, then the tool has no brush settings you can change. To set the brush tip shape to use in the Brush Settings panel in Photoshop, click the Brush Tip Shape brush setting at the left side of the panel. Then click to select the brush tip shape to use in the scrollable list to the right. Each tip shows a preview of the tip shape and its default size in pixels below it. To change the size of the selected brush tip, use the Size slider or enter a value into its adjacent field. To enable or disable a horizontal brush flip, check or uncheck the Flip X checkbox. To enable or disable a vertical brush flip, check or uncheck the Flip Y checkbox. To set the brush angle and roundness, enter values into the angle and roundness fields, or click and drag either the arrow or the small circles on the icon to the right of those fields to change the same attributes respectively. To change the hardness, use the hardness slider or enter a value into its adjacent field. To enable spacing between the brush tips in a brush stroke along the same directional axis in which you paint, check the spacing checkbox. Then set the spacing percentage by using the spacing slider or entering a value into its field. Remember to click the subscribe button to see more of our videos. See our full suite of courses, instruction manuals, and quick reference guides at www.teachucomp.com.